Welcome to the next lesson from the PMdistilled guide. So in this lesson, we'll try to understand project management principles or values or the mindset in more detail. Uh, the first and foremost thing is the project must deliver value to the customer. So, as a project manager, we must be highly focused on delivering value to the client. No point in doing a project which doesn't deliver value to the client. And according to PMI, so far, the success criteria of a project was blindly focused on time, cost, and scope. We used to say that a project is successful if it is completed on time, within budget, and met the scope. Now, PMI has added one more dimension, that is the value. When we complete a project, the project should have delivered the intended value for which it was started in the first place. For example, you designed and constructed a house for a client, and at the end, the client is unable to live there, or or the client is unable to give it for rent, then the project becomes a failure. So the project should deliver the intended value for which it was started. So the focus on value is of paramount importance. So as a project manager, we not only focus on time, cost, and scope, we must focus on the value part of it. For that, as a project managers, we have to be very proactive in nature. We may be a project manager for a single project, and that project can be part of a larger program, and the organization may be doing that program to leverage or to achieve some business cases. So we should understand the interlinkages between the project and the project we are managing, and the so we should understand the interlinkages. Otherwise, we'll be in trouble. So we should have a holistic view about what is our project, how it is connected to other projects, and why the organization is doing it, or why the customer is doing it. Then proactively, we should ensure that the quality is embedded into the whole thing. We should do the right planning, we should get the right people, we should procure the right material, we should pick up the right design, we should do perfect risk management and quality management. So we should do everything possible to embed quality into the deliverable of the project. By testing a product, we cannot embed quality into it. Testing only reveals the inherent defects in the uh, product developed. So, as a project manager, we should do an all out effort proactively to ensure that quality is embedded into the deliverable of the project. And then we must integrate sustainability within all project areas. We are like reusable components, environmental friendly material, maybe net zero designs, modular designs, uh, zero emissions, safety standards. So we should ensure that as a project manager, we should relentlessly focus on integrating sustainability within all project areas. Then, as a project manager, one should take complete ownership of the project because you are the primary person accountable for the success and failure of the project. So, as a project manager, one should take complete ownership of the project. And one must be, you must be an accountable, you act as an accountable leader, and we must build an empowered culture within the team. So for that, we should define the roles and responsibilities very correctly, the decision-making criteria, the escalation process, everything must be defined. So we should really believe in delivering value to the client. Our style of working should be proactive, and we should have a holistic view about the project, and we should constantly strive to embed quality into the deliverables and integrate sustainability within all project areas. And we should take complete ownership of the project and be an accountable leader and build an empowered culture. Now, after listening to this mind map analysis, I request you to go through the material and then complete the quiz given at the end of the topic. And if you have any queries or questions, please post it as a comment to this video, or you can send me a WhatsApp message as well. I'll be able to answer your queries. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video.